In today's video, I want to show you how to withdraw your euros from Binance to your bank account with ease. I know most of you face challenges withdrawing money from your Binance to your bank account. So this video is going to address that issue. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have first of all sent money to your Binance account, like that is deposit money to your Binance account before you'll be able to withdraw money from the Binance account, because the account that you deposited money from is the same account that Binance is going to send money to. So I just want you guys to understand that. And if you say you haven't yet done the process, it's okay. Just go through this video and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it so that you can get the money to your bank account. Now, this is the Binance interface. You can see here on the menu, it says deposit, referral, trading bots, earn, chat room, go to more. And scroll down to where you're going to see finance. So under finance, you're going to see send cash, right? Click on that, send cash. And this interface is going to appear. Now, you have several options depending on where you're living. My region is Finland. You can see Euro. I'm in the Eurozone. But you can go to the drop-down menu here and select the country that you are living in. You can see there are a lot of countries here that you can select. But I am in Europe. For example, let's say I'm in Ukraine. If I click Ukraine, you're gonna see all the method that I can withdraw money from Binance, my bank account. It's gonna appear here. You can see Mono Bank, P2P, Private Bank, P2P, A Bank, P2P, and Palm Bank, P2P. All these transactions are gonna be P2P transactions, but Binance is gonna be the one to do it for you. You don't have to worry so much on okay how you're gonna do that. Just make sure you have your account set for Binance to send the money to. So let's take another example. Let's say I'm in Thailand. You're gonna see the different options where I can withdraw money from Binance to my bank account. You're gonna see here through money and bank P2P. So Binance systems works differently in different countries based on what payment method is there or what payment gateway is available. Binance have different partnerships with different companies in different countries or different institutions in different countries. So make sure you go to the drop menu, select the country that you live in, then you're going to see the options that Binance is going to give you to withdraw your money from Binance to your bank account. So I'm in Europe, Finland. So this is what I got. So for example, let's say I want to withdraw some money, 500 USDT to my bank account. So these are the methods I'm going to use to withdraw that money to my account. And the amount is going to be 473.55 euros if you choose bank transfer. There's also SEPA Instant, and if I use SEPA Instant, it's going to be the amount. So the exchange rate depends on which gateway you use, which payment gateway you use. You say I use SEPA, be 469. But normal bank transfer is okay. You say you are not in a hurry to use your money. You can choose that normal bank transfer. Then you continue. Now you have options for you to confirm the payment. You see here it says I'm gonna include the account opening bank, like insert my details, bank card, everything. I'm gonna include it here, but I don't want to do that right now, because I am not interested to withdraw money from my Binance account. And you can do this, like for example, if you want to add an account where Binance should send the money to, you can add it from here. You know, you're gonna give you options for you to put your bank card, your details for Binance to send money to your account. Usually, Binance is gonna give you options that you might transfer money directly to the account that you have deposited money from to Binance. But now I cannot see that option anymore, meaning you have to insert all the details yourself. So it doesn't matter. Maybe it doesn't matter anymore if say you have deposited money in Binance before. But try this first, and if say you are not able to, withdraw the money to your bank account, then you can try the other method to transfer money to Binance first. But Binance is gonna give you the options for you to do this transaction successfully. So this is how you go about doing this, sending money to your bank account from Binance. Another method you can use to do this is by going to P2P yourself, without Binance helping you in terms of like giving you this the option. You can go to P2P yourself, then you're gonna get more cheaper rates to send money to your bank account. So for example, let's say if I want to send money to my bank account, I can just go to P2P, select where I want to send the money to, or the area where I am. So I'm going to choose Eurozone, and if say I have USDT in my account, then I'm going to go to sell section. I want to see all those who are selling USDT. In this case, it's euros. But you want to sell USDT to get euros. So these are all the merchants that are available within my region that sells euros. So I'm gonna go to payment. I'm gonna select all the payment that are available here. You see, you can select BBVA, bank transfer, Pacera, SEPA Instant, NABA. So these are the different banks or different payment gateway that you can use through P2P to send money to your bank account. So if you want to transfer money to your account through P2P, I'm going to recommend you use the Zen app. Zen is an online bank where you can carry out transactions, send, receive money. So if say you have the Zen app, select the Zen payment gateway to sell your crypto. And if say for example I want to sell crypto, see all the options here. For me to sell, you're gonna see add Zen. So these are the areas where I'm gonna click, to add details, where I'm gonna, be selling my crypto to that person. So it's very easy. You just have to learn how to do it P2P. I think with P2P you're gonna get more cheaper rates or more high rates that you might make more dollars, because usually when you use this Binance, like direct Binance send cash, the rate is not that reasonable. But if say you do it yourself, go to P2P, then you're gonna get good rate. If say you want to learn more about P2P, I have a complete tutorial on the P2P platform. Make sure you go to my videos and watch that video. Is gonna help you a lot to save money when you wanna withdraw money. If say you are interested in P2P, make sure you have the Zen app. The Zen app is just like you having a normal bank account, an account number. People can send money to you. You can send money to people. You're gonna have your bank card where you can spend your fiat through that bank card. You can go to grocery stores and buy stuff also online. So it's pretty the same as your bank card. So this is how you send money from your Binance account to your bank account with ease. So make sure you follow the guide step by step to be able to do this successfully. Hopefully this content was helpful to you. And if say you find some challenges doing this, make sure you comment below so I can do my possible best to help you out get your money to your bank account. And if say you want to be part of my community to have one-on-one with me, like to have a complete tutorial on how the Binance platform works, then make sure you use the link below this video and connect with me. I'm gonna do my possible best to help you out accordingly. Having said all this good stuff, have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Ciao.